Hey friends, if you wish to change the brightness on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So, the easiest method is through the slider here. Simply click on this and then you will find an option for the slider here. Reduce it and increase it. Now this is one way. The other way is through your computer, I mean your keyboard itself. There is an option on this keyboard which is the function key. So press the function key with the increase brightness slider and it will increase the brightness, and if you reduce the brightness slider it will reduce the brightness. As you can see, there's a symbol here and I am not touching my mouse for it. I'm doing it through the keyboard. Fn function key, the key between control and the Windows key, and then one of the function keys on the top between F1 to F12 depending upon the brand of your computer. Now there's another method, and that's through settings. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu and go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side, display in the right pane, and you'll find the slider for brightness here. You can use it to increase and decrease it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.